How do you reset your Android phone but without losing the data? Let me explain it, and if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So, of course, Android can be reset in many ways, but you have to go to these settings and just come back to the main settings page from whatever you were doing before, and this is the main page. So in here, we need to find the general management like this. And below, we should find the reset section. So part of the general management, we can see reset like this. And there are more things you need to pay attention to what we are doing in here. Because below, at the bottom entirely, we have the factory data reset. And when you click on this, it will wipe the phone clean and it will delete all of your data. You're going to lose data if you proceed with this option. But those above it, under the reset section, like reset all settings, reset mobile networks, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or accessibility stuff, those will apply to only those categories, and those will not touch things like your photos or any stored data. So if you, for example, click on reset all settings, it's going to tell you what it does. So it will reset the accounts, language settings, personal data, and so on, but it's not going to delete apps or remove your photos, videos, or anything else. So if you want to reset the phone without losing the data, choose any of those options, and that's going to be very safe and you don't have to worry about anything. Or at the top, you can also just back up your data to external storage, or a temporary cloud backup is available too. So if you want to be sure, you can always just back up your data before you're doing anything to be safe, but that's how you can do this. Let me know if it worked and if you found it the same way on your Android phone as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.